Hey everybody, what's going on? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be installing our LED license plate lights on 2020 and newer Chevy and GMC 2500 and 3500 trucks. Let's get into it. Our LED license plate lights for trucks and SUVs are a simple upgrade that makes a big impact. Designed to be significantly brighter than stock, they deliver a crisp, white light that enhances visibility, improves safety, and gives your truck a clean, modern look. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to the plug-and-play design, and the durable, waterproof construction means they're built to weather the storm mile after mile. Whether you're aiming to be a showstopper or just have better nighttime visibility, these LED lights are the high-performance upgrade your truck's been missing. A couple of things to note before we get into the install. The procedure outlined in this video is for 2020 and newer Chevy and GMC 2500 and 3500 trucks. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability, and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it.
Looking underneath the vehicle on the passenger side, right in front of the tow hitch assembly, you'll see the factory license plate light. Go ahead and remove the 17mm bolt holding it in place. With the bolt removed, you can pull the light away from its mounting location by sliding the upper tab out of its slot. To make the process easier, undo this trim clip holding the harness up and give yourself some slack to access the light housing. Now with the housing accessible, grab a hold of the socket and turn it counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Then simply grab the bulb and pull out to remove it. Next, grab your new Boost Auto light marked R or right for the passenger side and insert the two-prong connector into the socket. The connector is universal, so polarity doesn't matter. Then go ahead and insert the socket into the new housing, lining up the tabs and twist clockwise to lock it into place. To reinstall the light, insert the upper tab into the slot and push the light into place, making sure to line up the mounting holes. Then, resecure the light by reinstalling the 7mm bolt and secure the harness by reattaching the trim clip. Now go ahead and repeat the same steps on the driver's side.
That about wraps it up for our LED light installation on 2020 and newer Chevy and GMC 2500 and 3500 trucks. If you're a fan of these LED light assemblies, head on over to boostauto.com to see everything that we have to offer for your build today, like our Ion Series illuminated door handles or our painted tow mirror lights. Once again, thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you on the next one. The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.